Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So, we are here in Bindoy together with my sister Rakas. Oh, my sister, my forever friend, my for life sister. So we are here because, you know, after a long time that I have problem, and they know my problem because they are my second family. So it's time to celebrate with them, guys. So we're not always come here because it's really far away. Look at, it's really far away. Then, you know, our nanay is here na. Dagan man ka.
Ha?
Be. Be.
Hala. Ya, kumusta man? Okay na?
Okay ra, fight lang. So ang daan ni nanay ron, guys, kay bulad og isda. Gikan pa itawon mis nanimba, guys, nya. Promise man na mo mi dire. So this is it. Gikapoy si Adrian. Mapauna na ito na eh.
Ipatagbo na ako. Patagbo mo na ako.
Uy!
Tagbo mo?
Lagi lang!
Ha?
Ipatagbo!
Sakay mo?
Si nanay. Nga naman di ayan samday. Naida kong hikay nga. Padalion na gini mo.
Ah, galakarong guys siya oh.
Kapoy kayo. Ha? Makuhaan na eh.
Ikapoy.
So muna iyang. Muna ilang kuandre, guys. Oh. Muna view. Hello, Jason! Asa sila manang? Asa sila manang? Ganiharan abot? So muna iya. Muna ilang lugar diri, guys. Naghikay na dahil sila.
Mana? Hi, baby. Dong. Oh. Kinutanya ko na mo dong ha. Oh.
Nga naman na diha dong. Yun saan na diha dong?
Wal. Gitambak man natin sa Bagyo man na.
Ha?
Sa Bagyo.
Ano sa Bagyo?
Aman nilo bida sa unagod.
Kini ba nga nung nangakuan man eh?
Ay kanila ya.
Oh.
Disprihan.
Isprihan papa ka to lagi imo halagi dito. Isprihan to, patay lagi to.
Ya dugay na siyang balik.
Oh, dugay na balik. Silaban din mo.
Isprihan to nimo. Tay. Hitong tuan dito, ahawan.
Lagi kapoy ko anong kinabuhian ng siging ga. So guys, sorry guys, wala ako ka video sa ilang kuananan og sorry if I don't take video from the you can buy a dried fish because my cell phone is low bat, then I forgot to get it. But don't worry, I will show you one day. I will go back there. So I buy a fish and dried fish. The dried fish is the 140 per kilo. Oh, so I get a lot of bukuan. I buy also for the house and I buy for ate and nanay. So You can see the mountain. This is my, what you call that, relaxing area, guys. I have a peace of mind here. Woo! It's so beautiful. Like me. Charot. Lagi duka naman ko ti. Wala pa ginaabot ha. I'm not there yet, guys, but I feel sleepy. You know, this is my, what you call that, comfort zone. There's a river. So, pinangga jud ko ni nanay, no? Kay gisugat jud mi niya. Kay di siya gusto maglakaw mig kuan. Dili ko anak, guys, pero lupig pa yung anak na ko diri. Tinud-anay jud ni sila nga pamilya. Sa akong kalisdanan na kuyog na nako kana wala guna mo kuan give up. Kanya mo give up ko, guys, nga naa sila nako. So laban lang until na human, di ba? Basta ako okay na ko. I enjoy my freedom. And now I will serve the God. My freedom I will offer to the God. So why I can talk about her? Because we have restraining order. She cannot talk about me, and I cannot talk about her. Restraining order. If she talk about me, and I will know, I can file a case of her, and she can pay 150,000. It's the same as me. If I'm talking about her and she get a video of me, I can fine 150,000 or go to jail. So both vice versa. We have a ceasefire for ceasefire. We have ceasefire, and I hope everything will change, because I can change. I can promise that I will not talk about her, because I have a daughter that will take care. I have family that loves me, that needs me. So guys, for you guys, don't trigger me or her. So if you don't like me, don't say anything bad. Don't say anything bad to her. So if you have problem with her, it's your decision, not my decision. I'm out of it. So now I'm enjoying my freedom. I can go anywhere, even not a lot of money. So restraining order is I cannot talk to her, I cannot chat to her, I cannot, everything is stay far away. So I hope she will change. So this is it, guys. I'm here na. I hope she will follow the rules, right? Follow the rules so you don't have problem. If people talking about you, just ignore. Because it's really not easy if you don't ignore. Yeah? Ignore. Don't answer. That's it. That's the life. Bye-bye. I'm here na. Oh. Nanasa ko'y kawatonon, oh. So, nanagi kawatonon diri, oy. Dara, oh. Hinog na ni. Oh.
Orang ito yung gato ka dito. Sige, pulaw. Pulaw sa.
Mga tatay work, oh. In town. Nagkuhan siya, sit up siya og suga.
Ana, ginawa ko. Atos lang yung ito matulog.
Ari mi diri matulog.
Free air dito. Free air. Taruhan kayo. Up! Up! Ay, grabe na. Kaya ako nag-charge na ako na. Bago pa nag-charge na ako.
Ay hilabti na daw kay wala na iyang
Bago pa na ako nag-charge
wala pa nakadag charger.
Wala. Masa mo nagpasag na? Ha?
Si MBB sinimo day si kon iyang kuan, iyang motive room.
Ay.
Guys, nami sa bukid. So, nami birthday gift.
Ayaw.
Oh.
Napahilabot?
Brown na pangilabot. Oh. So kinira ko
Ano?
lain kog style si Manang kay tupperware po.
Wala tayong girl. Angke?
Angke.
Angge.
Good morning. Hello Mama Piggy. How are you doing? Did Tatay give you food already? Oh, you have a baby. Oh. Good morning. How are you doing? It's cold here, right? It's cold here, baby mama. Mama Piggy, it's cold here. Guys, I'm here in the mountain. This is the look. It's really cold. It's original aircon. Charot. Original aircon. Yes. Ano siya pinakadako nga bato dari guys. Hi.
Oh, man. Now, see, there's things.
Ano naman dili ko?
Pula.
Wala yung gulong daw. Kita ka uban sa.
Ayaw na silang duha. Ayaw na silang duha.
Apil na sa do ay bulak-bulak ka.
Bula, apel na siya kay mohilak man na.
Bulak-bulak ra gud na siya.
Okay. Wa dyan rin ha. Bula. Ang ipasaran ako.
Ano mo ka?
Dito.
Kita ka uban sa ako ano bulak.
Dyan.
Walang bulak oy imo mo.
Na iyang chicken. Na manuhik naman noon na. Nalatag iya sa chicken oh. I remember guys that I have video with chicken and they're laughing. Oh, that's it. Hi. Ibaw na like mo English istorya dyan. Can I borrow your phone? Picture dire BM. Video. Ang morning. So, let's drink a tuba. Tapos lang way nagmahal, magtuba ta.
Hi guys, dahil naman tuba. Kuan ba video kon ba na vlogger ba niya? May vlog.
So guys, mupauli na mi nya. Na. Nakainom jud kog tuba, ha?
Ala, so ja kay taron kay mga ayos lag tubig ya to miwa inom nila tuwa. Kuyo gini ako may tag ice ko na. Oh, butang ice ate. Lami. Mahal na dito sa ato lang sa restaurant ate, mahal. 100 atong extra na pun.
Nanugab ko tuba ay.
Tambal man kuno siya kay walay tuog. Imo sila.
Nabuhi ang dugo ni Floreme.
Angat ka tali nagbalik.
Dami kong nawa jud ako inaani sa mua.
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali. Magpasalamat at patuloy na magpakatatag. Lagi nating isaisip, happiness is a choice. Let's choose to be happy. Walang take two sa buhay, kaya piliin mong maging